Hey guys, so this is going to be a quick video that's going to show you how to do the world map assignment just in case you were absent or you're missing some steps. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your world map, which looks a lot like this, the one right here. I gave it to you this in class. Second is behind it, you're going to see the instructions, which look like this. And here it tells you what you're going to be doing, labeling the 7 continents, how they should be colored, the oceans, and then these countries, and how you're going to number them. And then I'm going to also show you an example of what it should look like, which is this right here. This is what ultimately like you to look like. Now mine, I did it quickly, so the coloring isn't the best, but yours could be a little bit better. So let's go through what I want you to do on your blank map. For the first thing it asks you to do on the instructions, again, these are on the back of the map, is label the 7 continents. Now, unfortunately, Antarctica, the map that I gave you is cut out, so it's really the 6 continents where people live in. Each continent should be colored. You'll need 3 or 4 colors only. Color pencils or highlighters, not blue, because blue is going to be used for the ocean. You just can't have 2 continents that are colored the same, because otherwise you won't see the difference. And as you can see in the example, I just used 3 colors. I used green and orange, yellow, orange and green and yellow. So North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia. And you see, none of them are touching the same one, so you can clearly see the difference. So those are the 6 continents that we people live on, and they're colored and labeled. So you can see I put it in red ink. I use Asia, Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa. I don't have to do it on the inside. I put a little dash put next to it, but all the continents are the same color. That way I know that they're all continents. The next thing it asks you to do is to label the 4 major oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic. And if you look at the example again, Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, and Indian. I wrote Pacific Ocean over here as well because the Pacific Ocean is the most biggest ocean in the world, and therefore it goes around the world from us over here in the west part to over here on the east in terms of Asia. All right, the last thing it asks you to do is it asks you to label where these 15 countries are. And next to each country, you're not going to write the name, you're just going to write the number next to it. So for England, we're going to write number 1. For the US, we're going to write number 7. For Japan, we're going to write number 13. So when you go back to the example again, as you can see, I just wrote a number 1 right there where England is, a number 7 where the US is, and then a number 13 where Japan is. So you have to find these. So you're going to have to use your phone to see what the continents are, the oceans are, and then just be able to label it and color it. So if you have any questions, please let me know.